Welcome back, friends. Welcome to another video of RTGT YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve a very common problem faced by so many users of NVIDIA RTX voice. Let me show you the error. So in the first run, just after installing NVIDIA RTX voice, it's showing a very common problem like this: installation failed. So this is done, and this is showing because this software works on virtual device for both input and output purposes, but by default it is disabled in the first run. So we have to manually enable those devices. So have to do so. Open control panel, hardware and sounds, then click on sound, minimize it, then open NVIDIA RTX voice software. You can see the speakers are disabled by default, so right click on this and enable them. Similarly do for the recording also. After these steps, you will be now able to run the NVIDIA RTX voice. So thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and share this video, and if you want to be in touch with us, you can subscribe this channel. Thank you.